Hey guys, it's Nicole with A-Frayed-Knot. Today I'm going to show you how to get the rustic and chippy look on this wood cross from the online shop using these supplies that you see listed right here. To get a closer look at the supplies, just hit pause and take a look at them. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my Minwax dark walnut stain, put on some gloves, and get this cross all stained up. So I just want to make sure I get the entire thing stained with my Minwax dark walnut stain. And once you get it stained, I'm going to go ahead and dry it with my heat gun. You could actually set it aside and let it dry for a little bit. You do want to make sure that it does dry. As you can see, I'm using my heat gun. So the next thing that we're going to do is take this wax. It literally is just a wax candle from the Dollar Tree. I use the white color wax, so this way there's no color crossing or mixing in with our paint. I just use the white clear wax, and again, it is from Dollar Tree. I want to make sure that I get wax over the entire surface, the sides, the edges, and the top. You can see that I'm getting a nice coat of the wax. You want to make sure you get a nice coat of wax on there. This is going to be important. The wax is the layer in between your base coat, which for us in this DIY is the stain, and then our top coat, which will be the cotton color AFK chalk paint. So the wax is the middle layer, and that's what's going to help to make it nice and chippy. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our cotton color AFK chalk paint, and we are just going to start painting the cross. So I paint the sides, the edges, the top, everything. I'm actually going to let it dry and then put on a second coat. With the chippy method, the more paint that you build up on it, the chippier of a look you're going to get. Kind of picture an old wood fence that's been painted over years and years, and then the paint just kind of starts chipping off. That's the look that we're going for here. So if you put another coat of paint on, you're going to build up a thicker layer, and then you're going to get a chippier effect. And the wax is important in the middle because that's what is going to help to chip off the paint and just reveal your nice stained dark walnut color underneath. So then once we get it all painted up and dried, we're going to take the sandpaper. I use 80 grit sandpaper, and we're going to just start sanding. So I start with the edges. You can see I'm sanding off the edges, and it is revealing that nice dark stain color underneath of the dark walnut. And then I go and I sand the sides. Once I get the sides sanded, then I'll start going into the inside and sanding the inside. I do a little bit at a time and kind of see where it's chipping off the best. And then you can go back and you can chip more or you can do less. I would just start with a little bit at a time, and then you can see we've got the nice chippy look. So once we get it to the chippiness that we like, I'm just going to go ahead and take a piece of this cute check ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to tie it off at the top. So I like these little crosses. You can make cute little ornaments out of them. They're nice for tiered trays, risers, a little spot on your shelf that you need something for. But this is how I achieve the chippy look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you're following A-Frayed-Knot. Thanks, and I'll see you again soon.